all activity we are going to discuss. Tie-in points. If you have some tie-ins, make it tie-ins.
Yes.
And some demolition activity. I need only support from you guys to only qualify the list of activity what I have listed here. That's it.
Okay.
Once you send it to me in next 2 days, 3 days, then I will again pre-populate everything. I will keep it ready and I will make all the restrictions here. I will make R1, R2, R3. This is my job. And then I will do risk assessment also. So you don't need to worry for restriction table. You don't need to worry in risk assessment. I need only help from you guys in column C. That's it. Is it clear, Khaijan and everybody?
Yes, I think it is clear. But
Yeah.
I would like to highlight something. Our
Yeah.
scope of work comprises of 5 work packs. Work pack
Yeah.
1 is underground cooling water system. I will add a slide for that. Work pack
Yeah.
2 is for the minor machinery, that is the turbines, equipment, rotating equipment, pumps.
Yeah.
Work pack 7 is for the instrument and control systems. Work pack 8 is for the DCS, and work pack 9 is exclusively for the electrical systems. That is the
Yes.
switch gears and all these things. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So I
Very
will
good.
just add a slide for that. In the
Yes, please.
meantime, yeah.
I think
Khidr
good.
Saab, I think this sheet